In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your NordVPN account using the support request form. We'll walk through the exact path on the website, make sure you're in the right place, and get your request submitted clearly and correctly. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official NordVPN website. Log into your account as you normally would, so the system knows which account you're managing. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct profile you want to remove. Because account deletion is a significant action, it's a good idea to consider any remaining subscriptions, saved preferences, or information you might want to review before proceeding. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page to find the site's footer. There, look for the support section. On desktop, it's typically in the lower area of the site, and on mobile you might need to expand the footer or scroll a bit more to see all the links. Click into Support to access the Help and Contact options. Inside the Support area, locate the option labeled Submit a Request. This takes you to the form used to contact the team for account-related actions. If you see multiple ways to contact support, make sure you choose the route that lets you submit a written request. On the request form, you'll usually see a category or topic selector. Open that menu, select the account category, and then choose Delete Account from the available options. Picking the correct category helps your request reach the right team and reduces back and forth. Next, you'll find a description or message field. In that space, clearly state that you want to delete your account. Keep it simple and direct. A short sentence is enough, such as, "I would like to delete my NordVPN account." You don't need to include any sensitive information. The form and your login already associate the request with your profile, so a clear statement of intent is all that's required. When everything looks good, submit your request. After clicking Submit, wait for the confirmation on the screen indicating your message has been sent. If the page offers a reference number, consider saving it for your records. That's it. You logged into your NordVPN account, navigated to the support section, submitted a request, selected Account and Delete Account, explained that you want the account removed, and sent the request. Thanks for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to revisit it while you complete the process.